Great. I feel like now you are experts at complex sentences, but I want to go back right here to compound sentences, and we learned these first way back when. And I took these sentences from the book about Buzz Aldrin that you were reading, and one of his sentences says, "I was a little frightened as the plane shuddered into flight, but I was mostly thrilled." You'll notice this right here, this key word. Do you remember those fanboys that we used to talk about all the time? And how we used to label our sentences? Let's try this. I was a little frightened as the plane shuddered into flight. I have a subject 1, verb 1, I was. I have a comma, then my conjunction, and then I have another sentence. I was mostly thrilled. Subject 2, verb 2. Okay, then we come over here. That's different from a complex. Look at how this one starts. When I was 2 years old. So what I'm going to do, what I want you guys to do, we're going to label these words over here, and let's try that out. Make sure it really is a complex sentence. When I was 2 years old, comma. So right away I'm going to stop and say, wait a minute. This says when, and I know that's an OOBIS word. So what I'm going to do is take this little label right here and I'm going to drag it over. That's a subordinating conjunction. I'm going to put it right here by when, just so I can make sure I'm labeling. When I was 2 years old. Okay, so when is the subordinating conjunction? I know I is my subject 1. I'm going to take this again and label my itty bitty subject 1, and I'm going to drag it right here, right underneath the I. And then it says I was. Okay, well I know was is my verb. I'm going to have to take this, drag it over here also, and put it right underneath the was. I'm going to have to change my color, sorry. And then I look for the rest of it after the comma. My father took me flying for the first time. Subject 2. Who took him flying? His father. What did his father do? Took him flying. And I'm going to label it just like that. And that's what I want you to try out in the slides after this.